Hello everyone, and thanks for watching Edupedia World videos. In this video, we'll discuss solutions to the 2016 JEE Mains Physics question. Let's see question 26 now. A pipe which is open at both ends has a fundamental frequency F in air. So for a pipe to be open at both ends, these two ends have to be pressure nodes, right? Because when it is open, the pressure cannot vary. So the wave will look something like this. And once you put half of the pipe in water, all you are left with is the remaining half because this is all covered in water. And now for a pipe which is open at one end and closed at the other end, the fundamental frequency wave would look like this. Because this has to be a pressure node, but this point has to be a pressure antinode or a displacement node because this is a closed end. So from this you can see they both have the same value of the wavelength, so they will have the same value of frequency, which means the fundamental frequency of this pipe is also F, which means the answer is option 4. They have the same speed and they have the same wavelength. This completes the solutions. Thank you.